Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a grocery haul. I've not done a grocery haul in months and months and months, and the reason for that is that a lot of the time I just get things on the fly and I don't tend to do a big all-encompassing shop like I used to, but I really do need to start doing that because I think it saves me a lot of money. It means that I can meal plan and meal prep, and that is just so much easier for my lifestyle at the moment. So Andrew has just nipped to both Tesco and ALDI, so I'm going to show you everything all together. It's not going to be in any particular order because I want to get it put away, and to be quite honest, I'm also vlogging today, so I want to have my lunch soon. But I thought I'd show you what I got so you guys can see what's out there at the moment. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and then I'll know to film more of these, but let's get cracking. Alright, so again, I'm just going to grab things out as they come. So the first thing we have is a sirloin steak. We get these every time we go to Aldi, to be honest, to pick up meat. I think they're really good and tasty. We also have some chicken breast mini fillets. We have 1 pack of those. We also have some beef mince here. We have 2 packs of beef mince actually, and we have a second pack here of the chicken breast mini fillets. They're just ideal for whipping up a quick curry, marinading. We also have one of these Quicksters, which I believe will be for Andrew's lunch because the rest of us don't eat those. But we have some cocktail sausages, a couple of packs of bacon. This is just the back bacon, and we also have a large chicken here to roast. These used to come in little trays, but actually when we've been to Aldi recently, they've started to come in bags, which I don't know how I feel about that. I do prefer to have a tray on the bottom, but anyhow, that's going in the freezer. So yeah, we have some chicken. Also, we have some cat food here. We have these Shebas. I think this was about £14, but there are 40 sachets in here, which is ideal. Having 2 cats, it's always handy to have big packs. And we also have cats on as well. Next we have some eggs here. We have a loaf of orange Warburtons. We have a chicken tikka masala that looks delicious. This is going to be ideal for a quick dinner one night. We have a couple of jars of pasta bake sauce, which Harrison loves for a quick lunch. We also have some lactose-free milk, for those who don't know. Andrew's dairy-free, so these are really handy, and it's great that they do them at Aldi. And we have some tuna and one of those concentrated tomato and mascarpone stir-in sauces. Again, super handy for a quick meal. Then we have a butternut squash that I'm going to make a soup out of. We have some pink lady apples, carrots, some coriander, bananas, garlic, fresh parsley. The packs of these have gone much bigger, which is really nice. I also have a big bag of spinach here, and finally some onions and some oranges. So we have some baking potatoes, some bleach. Everything's really mismatched. We have some munchie bars, which again, I think these will be for Andrew most likely, for like a quick breakfast or a snack when he's on the go. We have some red peppers here that come, well, it's actually not just red, it's red, yellow and orange. Some tomato puree, some Aldi cat food, which I'm guessing Andrew wants to try. This is a tender pate. The cats love pate, so if they like that, that would be ideal. And he's also picked up a chicken one as well. We have a passata here, some ham, a couple of these chicken bakes, which I believe will go in the freezer. We have 2 micro meals as well, and they are both pasta bakes, which Harrison adores. He loves Aldi pasta bake. And we also have another pack of minion ham as well, which is ideal for Layla's sandwich. Next we have some 50% high juice, which is blackcurrant. We have 2 bottles of Coke Zero, which is an absolute must in this house. I'm obsessed with Coke Zero, have been for many, many years. We have another concentrated tomato mascarpone sauce. These are really delicious, guys. Like honestly, if you love pasta and if you love things like tortellini and you just want a quick sauce, these are delicious and they're so quick. so convenient. We have a fresh juice. This is just a fresh orange, it's smooth. So I've got one of those, and we have 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. This is the last bag of Aldi, then we'll move on to Tesco. We have some garlic bread slices. These are really delicious. We've been buying them for years. They're so nice. We have some pen pasta, a couple of packs of chocolate bourbon creams. Harrison loves these. I'm not sure if Layla likes them actually. She's quite funny about biscuits. We also have some munchy bars. This is a different flavour. This is the peanut with oat flakes, whole wheat flakes, peanuts, and a drizzle of honey dipped in milk chocolate. I mean, it sounds great. Speaking of tortellini, we also have some of that. This is the 3 cheese tortellini. Some cheese strings, which the kids love for their packed lunches. They're not back at school, but they still do like those for during the day. A couple of instant mash, again super handy when you want a bit of mash but you don't want to have to get the potato peeler out. We have some basmati rice here, some Snickers, another pack of the 3 cheese tortellini as well, and then finally we have another pack of pen pasta and 2 packets of milk chocolate digestive biscuits. So that is everything that we've got from Aldi. So I'll clear the decks and then we will move on to the stuff we got from Tesco. Alright, so I'm going to move on to Tesco now. I'm going to try and get through this quite quickly. So we have a pot noodle, which I'm guessing is for Andy. We also have some Monster Munch crisps, along with a Thai green curry noodle. I've actually tried these before and they're actually really nice, so I'm glad to see another one of those has found its way into the house. It's never something I would normally buy, so Andrew's chose that. I have an aubergine here. I absolutely love aubergine. I have some Munch Bunch yogurts, some tiger tail baton, which I have a feeling we'll be having today for lunch. I have a cauliflower because I love to make cauliflower rice. It's one of my favourite things to have, like favourite substitutes. We have some vegan milk chocolate and almond magnums. Some of my favourite crisps, which are Quavers. And a trusty sourdough bloomer, which again is one of my favourites. We also have a tin of spaghetti and a tin of American hot dogs. These are just really handy for a snack or a quick lunch. We have a cooked chicken, which I am guessing we're going to be having for lunch. So excited, I love a cooked chicken. We have some free from yogurt, so we can make a curry one night or marinate some chicken. A couple of packs of lactose-free butter. This is the one that we get. Andrew really likes it. We did try a different brand, which is like a sunflowery one, but I don't think he's too keen on that. And we have these French fries. These are so quick and so convenient. And they're called fries to go. And they're ready in the microwave in 2 minutes. So kind of similar to the McCain's. Frubes. A couple of packs of baby wipes. Some snack pot baked beans. Some Holland's meat and potato. No, just meat pies. And then the last thing we have from Tesco is some Yeo Valley vanilla fat-free yogurt. And that is everything. So quite a substantial shop there. From Aldi we spent 99.68, which is good going, and in Tesco we spent £50.38, but we had club card deduction, so we actually only paid £48.29 for that. And that is it. So I hope you all enjoyed it. It's a bit of a throwback for me doing grocery hauls, so if you did like it, give it a thumbs up. I'll make sure to do more of them, and also keep your eyes peeled for what I eat today using these lovely ingredients. I'm sure to start doing some cooking content soon. I've just been so busy. Whoa guys, come on. I'm gonna feed the cats before they eat each other. But thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.